Hi guys, this morning I was going to go over the new Spellbinders club kits real quickly. So any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, and that means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. The only thing is I logged in here and they threw me off with this new club kit, which is a $10 clear stamp set. So this you can kind of see about that. So that's something you can add on or sign up for only, which is really great. I'm assuming you can just get that one by itself, but it says starting at $10, so it's $10, and then you have your value club kits. But the links I have in the description box will be for the individual clubs, plus some of the value clubs, which I usually do the either the Works or Kit and Caboodle, and the Works has more items in it than Kit and Caboodle. But I wanted to show you real quick again. Spellbinders does a real good job, usually of a day or two before the first of the month. They show you what's going to be in the club kit, because I'm signed up for the first. Like if you sign up today, your club kit will always be registered for the first. If you sign up towards the end of the month, you're going to get your club kit charged and sent out towards the end of the month, right? So they do it daily, whereas like Tonic gets at the beginning of the month, everyone gets charged this, the same, or not the same, but that's when you get charged, and then the item goes out a few days later. So anytime in November you sign up, you'll see that. But they also, I just want to quickly show you the things. Again, if you ever want to check it out and it's not posted yet, click on clubs. And usually, again, a day or two before, you can click on Club Inspiration. And it'll take you to basically their blog. And I'm sorry about the glare. I was going to turn the light off, but then it looked really dark, and I was like, well, that's kind of scary, so I'm leaving it on. So this is a new post here for that new clear stamp, which they didn't have it yesterday when I was kind of going to edit my club, what I was going to get, because I signed up for 2 clubs and then I just skip one. It's the easier thing to do than edit it every time. But so this is the hot foil. So now it's going to actually have posts for each thing. But yesterday it was the original post was for the card kit, and then there they have sneak peeks, and they were cute like this. The APG is a little slay. I'm getting it. Okay, so I didn't change that. That's in my Works club. This is the large die, and the only thing you could see on this one in the original picture was a real tight close-up, and I'm like, oh, you're supposed to sew. I don't know if you can see that. So it's going to cut all these little things that make all these little dots for you, and then you use your friendship bracelet type materials. What's that called? Embroidery thread. I can't remember, to help you out, or whatever you like to use. And in this one, they just had a little close-up like this, and I was like, oh, it's a snowman, I'm getting him. So this is the small die of the month. And then the card kit is this here. It's a holiday card, and it's really cute because it makes this lamppost with different things. And I thought that was interesting. I don't have a little lamppost die, so I'm going to go with that. But before that, again, like I said, it was this post here, and it had sneak peeks. So you just click on it and read more, and then you'll see that it had the little sneak peeks. And they'll do that again a day or two before the beginning of the month. Now, if you're signed up for later in the month, then you have more time because you know what you're looking at. But for me, on the first, I like to know if I'm going to go ahead and make a larger purchase, maybe cut out one of the die sets or whatever. But so look at how cute. Those are the little sneak peeks. Look at this. Oh, I think that's so pretty. Obviously it's going to take time, but I think it's really sweet. And then how can I not? So I was like, okay, I'm getting all those. Again, whenever you click on the link there, it'll take you to whichever club you choose. And then once you're there, you can look at all the clubs. It's not a big deal. Actually, the link will take you to like this, let's say Die Hard or whatever, or small die of the month. And you still have to like click several steps to say you want to do it. So you'll still see all the dice, the club sets. But yeah, so then that's it. And then if you want to, again, once you sign up, or if you wanted to change it out from the sneak peek you saw there, just go to your club account portal, and let me see. I was gonna say it's gonna ask me to hold on, let me sign in and I'll be right back. Oh, that was weird. I went to press record, and I guess I could do it from my panel on the little screen, which I didn't know. So I accidentally touched that and it started recording. All right. So like I said, I have 2 kits going because I just skipped one or whatever. So on the first, I had 2 of them going to be billed, and I skipped one of them. But you can change it every month. You can skip however you like. You can cancel it all through this portal. They don't care. Okay, so just do whatever that you want to do. Again, I don't know how much personal information this will show, but it does show you what's coming up. Like I said, I skipped it, so they moved it to the 1st for the next month, and I can even just press it and cancel it now. But I think when I press it, it does definitely show my address and all that. So I'm not going to press that right now. But let me see what happens if I press subscriptions. Yeah, so it's just saying what prescriptions, what subscriptions I'm in. Let me see what else I might be able to show you guys. Oh, and the cart, again, people were wondering. So I think mine was already billed. Actually, no, it was still blue, so that means they haven't paid it. So if you want to add stuff to this time around, go ahead and add it. And I think that is under... Okay, so you click Browse. And then if it's already been charged, I don't think you can add them then. You might be able to. I don't know that yet. But click extras and add-ons or browse plans if you want to switch out your plan or if you want to edit what you got going on, however you want to do it. And here's where I would add more paper. Yeah, I want another paper pack, which is usually something I would do. They have a Season's Greetings Dear Etched Die set, so they're offering you other things here. But yeah, you just say you want one, whatever it is, and then continue to check out, and it should add it to your kit. Now, like I said, I don't know if you'll let you do it after the kit has been charged. Maybe someone can let it know, because I've never tried that, or if there's shipping involved later, because just like plain order. But this account portal is different from your Spellbinders stuff. So hopefully that gave you some information. I'm getting all the works because it's adorable, but you know, it's up to you guys. And I did want to quickly show you this again. You guys remember I made this for Busted Out? And you know what's funny? I even touched it because I wasn't sure if it was done like way later in the day. I touched the top just gingerly like that, and I left a fingerprint, and I was like, ah, because it wasn't dry yet. It was a little sticky. And even that fingerprint is gone. I'm like, wow, this stuff is amazing. So look how clear. If it's so the little bezels are from Spellbinders, and they do have them on clearance all the time. But the ink, the resin stuff was ice resin, so I thought I wanted to follow up with you guys just to show you since we were here and we're talking about Spellbinders anyway. But look at that, like how clear. So cool. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them there. Of course, like I said, mine is signed up to be billed today. It usually ships out within a few days. Sometimes it's a week, and then I get them, and then I do the reviews. But really cute sets this time around. So thanks for watching, guys. Keep an eye out later. I am going to do the last review for Diamond Press with a premiere so we can chat a little bit, which is kind of tough because it's hard for me to keep up with all the comments. I try to as well as I can. So I hope if you have a question, maybe put like question real big and then the question. But other than that, I try to say hi to people, say hi and all that. So I'll see you guys in a few hours, hopefully. All right. Have a good one. Bye now.